Endorse. What else is the southbound Briar Cliff?
Alright. It's southbound Briar Cliff through Berman. Call to pursuit. Speed's 30 miles an hour. There's no traffic. Coming up to 25 maybe. 38 miles an hour, no traffic through Boulder Hill Pass. You're going to do a right turn on Boulder Hill Pass. He's going to go north on 25. North on 25 through the stop sign. There's no traffic. Speeds are 30.
Stand 3, I'm monitoring. We have a secondary unit to take over comms. I'm not sure we only have 3 units.
Yeah, I got like 5 cars behind me. That is mostly county cars. I'm going northbound 25. 70 miles an hour.
Music 70 miles per hour?
Yep. Coming up northbound 25 to Ashland. No traffic. 70 miles an hour.
Take over comms just to clarify, we're looking at 3 units in pursuit. Versus moving southbound. 25. Permission for sticks. I'm on the stand for sticks. Permission for sticks.
Just did a right turn on the mill. Right turn on the mill. God damn it.
Coming out.
Number 2, we're on Mill Street. Southeast north.
Going back northbound on Broadway. Radio, what the
Give me a speed.
trying, this radio suck. 55 miles an hour, 55 miles an hour, going northbound on Broadway from River. No traffic.
Permission for stick, yes or no?
Yes, do it carefully.
Good sticks, good sticks.
Was that successful? That looked good.
Yes, closer, 2
Alright, northbound Broadway coming up to Ashland. Speed is 75 miles an hour. There's no traffic through Ashland.
Endorse.
Stand 3. How many APD units at this point?
Alright, he's losing it. He's losing it. He's going to bail here. He's going to bail here. Get your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hey, everyone back up! Get up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Let's go! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired by police. It. He's going to bail here. He's going to bail here. Put your hands up! Hands up! Hey, Everyone back there. Get out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired by police. Get your hands up! Hands up! I want heavy head right here, heavy head.
Do you want the dog or do you want...
Relax!
I got you.
Slow. Give commands.
Show me your hands, don't fucking move! Don't move!
You want to send them?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I got hold. Show me your hands! Hands! Dush! Move up!